Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Yes, if you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Medilo and I'm reaching out to you from the northern part of Nigeria. So in case you are new here, this is the first time you are seeing my video, you're highly welcome. Please endeavor to subscribe to our channel. Just hit the subscribe button and remember to turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Yes, and for our returning subscribers, I really appreciate all of you. Okay, so this day we want to talk about spiritual benefit of banana leaf. See, banana has a lot of spiritual influence, you understand, but we don't talk about banana leaf like that. See, growing up as a child, I have seen cases where when a little child dies in a family, like, this infant mortality, children dying like babies when they fall sick and die. They used to bathe them before burial. So I have seen where they use banana leaf in the water. They will boil banana leaf in the water, and the essence of that is because I am actually a very inquisitive person. I like to ask questions. Yes, so I do ask, and the answers I always get is that this banana leaf is to prevent another death in that family. That is, if the woman who lost the child has maybe 5 children, or maybe 4 children, or 3, and one dies, there is every possibility for her to still lose another child. So in order to prevent another occurrence, they put banana leaf to bathe that child, to stop, to break that what do they call it, occurrence or continuity. Yes, continuity. I think that is the right word to use for that. In order to break continuity of infantile death or infant death in that family. So, and to an extent, it's working, so. But growing older and expanding in spirituality, I have come to realize that banana leaf does much more than that. So this is the simple idea I want to share with us today, because some of us, we have banana plants at the back of our house, but we don't know what we are having. We are having gold. So how do we use this banana leaf to benefit ourselves spiritually? Like now, it's used to stop death, that is reoccurrence of death. Let's say in this family now, one person, bam, die, another person die. Maybe 2 months later, they bury another person. 3 months later, they bury another person. So, in that kind of situation, you can use banana leaf, to stop that. Not only infant, even adults. You understand? Because there are some instances where somebody or a spirit or a deity or somebody will just go and acquire strange power and want to start using his family member as an experiment. You understand? You look at this son or this person, kill the person, this, that, that kind of thing. So, in order to stop this type of occurrence, banana leaf can be used. You understand? See, they can even just put the banana leaf inside pot, boil it, and then carry the water and sprinkle it around the gate of the house, the compound, everywhere. Sprinkle it around the house. It's like driving away the bad occurrence. It may not be death alone, you understand? Because the focus of this particular video is not just death alone, but other aspects of life. Are you facing disappointment? You are in relationship. Before you know it, the girl say she know they do again, or the guy say he doesn't want you anymore, or disappointment here and there. They approved your contract last week. This week now they are telling you another story on phone that we are sorry, we cannot go ahead with you. Kaza, no, this and that. You understand? How do you prevent this type of thing? I'll be right back.
Simple solutions to life.
Yes, you're welcome back from that time out, okay? So now, when you are facing that kind of disappointment, you are a girl, a guy wants to marry you, and before you know it, he stopped picking your calls. Before you know it, he stopped communicating, blocking you and all that. It has been the same pattern from one relationship to the other, one relationship to the other. You can prevent this. Even if it is your daughter that is having this kind of problem, or your sister, you can give them this advice. Yes, all you need to do is just get banana leaf, okay? Banana leaf, and if you cannot get banana where you are, and it is plantain leaf you get, doesn't matter. And now, because some people are living in a place where this banana, before it gets to them, it becomes a dry one. It will not be fresh. It doesn't matter. As long as it is banana leaf, whether it is dried or it is fresh, whichever one you can get, okay? You can just get it. Dip this thing inside water, boil it, then use that water with prayer and bathe. When you are bathing, you are supposed to be stating what the problem is. You know, like this thing. Affliction. Remember, the Bible said, affliction shall not rise a second time. Okay? So, when something has happened before, and you don't want that thing to repeat itself again, so I am praying against it. Call that problem by its name. Okay? Call the problem by their names, and then you pray using this water to bathe. And then, apart from that, like I said it before, maybe you are moving into a new house. You built the house. You know, remember the Bible said, while men sleep, the enemy came and sowed tares. So, at times, you may be the one that laid the foundation of your house, and you built the house from the ground to the top, and it is time for you to move in. So you might move into the house and all manner of things will start happening. And at times, you may not be the one that built the house. Maybe you bought it and you don't know what was laid in the foundation of the house before it was built. So you don't need to panic, you don't need to worry, even if you're already in that house. Yes, because I know some people will come back to me and say, maybe Lord, but I already live in my house. Yeah, I've been living there for years, you know, and what can we do? See, you don't need to panic. All you need to do is try and get banana leaf or plantain leaf. Why I'm calling plantain leaf is because banana and plantain, they belong to the same family. Okay, so if you cannot get banana leaf, you can get plantain leaf. Okay, so you just get the water. Okay, make sure you boil it very well. When you boil it, then you pour it inside a container. Then you can get a sprayer. Yes, just get a container that has a pumping spray kind of design. Just pour it inside and then take it around the house. Pray over it first. Prayer is the engine of everything. Yes, you must know this. See, pray over it. Say what you want to see happen in the house or in your life. Like now, if it is the house, then you will spray it around the house. After spraying it, you allow it to stay for a while. Then you can mop the house if you want, and you can allow it to air dry. You can mop it another day. Okay, so this one is an ancient knowledge, and it is very, very effective. Yes, let us try it today and see how it goes. And I believe that bad luck that has been following you, that people are not allowing you to, the enemies are not allowing you to achieve the desire of your heart in whichever ramification of life, God will bring an end to them. Yes, so I want to tell you congratulations if you have made it this far. And please, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, subscribe to my channel and remember to give me a thumbs up whenever you watch my video. Thank you and God bless. See you again in our next video.